Hello friends, today we are going to start class 12th concept chapter 3rd exercise 3.4 elementary operations means transformation of a matrix. There are 6 operations on a matrix, 3 of which are on rows and 3 on columns. As you know, rows are known as horizontal way and columns are known as in vertical way. Now first one is interchange of any rows या any two columns. Clear? Suppose we are changing RI C firstly in both side direction RJ or in column CI in CJ. Clear? I have given one example also where R1 R3. See, you have given this matrix, you have to apply this transformation, means R1 in place of R3 and R3 in place of R1. So I will interchange as you got. Clear? Means it means reversion in both sides. Clear? Next one is multiplication of elements of any row or any column by non-zero number. Means if you say कि you have any row, if you want to multiply with any number to that row, it can be written as Ri implies only, now not in reverse, Kri. Similarly with column. Clear? If it is given to you this type of matrix, you can multiply. Suppose I operate on any number, I have taken on C, I multiply to R, yes 2 I operate 7R2. Clear? Means what I did, I multiply with R2, now it becomes 7R2. Clear? With each element you will multiply. This is known as second property. You can discuss with the column also. Clear? You can multiply with any column with any number. Next one is addition to the elements of any row or column, the corresponding elements of the any other row or column multiplied by a non-zero number, like this. Means if you want to operate on any row, it can be done same row you will keep here plus multiply with any number to any row. Similarly with here. Clear? But this will be same here. But if you are multiplying with any, then you can do with any row or column. Clear? These are the operations. Now we will discuss how it happens. Now firstly I am telling invertible matrix. Invertible matrix, if A is a square matrix of order M and if there exists another square matrix B of same order M such that AB is equal to BA is equal to I, means A is any matrix, B is another matrix exists there, yeah, B is any matrix A exists there, then their product will be I, where B is called the inverse of A. Why? Because they are making it I. If any matrix with any other matrix product is making it I, this is known as invertible matrix. It is denoted by A inverse. Inverse exists only of square matrix, not of rectangular. Clear? This is rememberable point. You can find the inverse only of square matrix, not of rectangular. And some points to remember. AB whole inverse, whenever you will open, its result will be firstly second one inverse, then first one inverse. Clear? And product of two matrix is not commutative, means AB is not equal to BA. Third one, for finding inverse we can use only one type of operations, means if you find any inverse of the matrix, then you can't use row operation and by using column operation consecutively. You can use one time one, चाहे रो यूज़ कर लो चाहे column. Next one, A into A inverse is equal to I, means if any matrix with its inverse, if we multiply it will make identity matrix. Similarly here, clear? If all the elements are 0 in any column or row, then inverse of that matrix does not exist. It means you cannot make it identity matrix, because you know what is identity matrix. Identity matrix where diagonal will be 1, others will be 0. Similarly for 3. So if you are getting any row या any column which is having all zeros, so then you can say its inverse will not exist. Now we are discussing some examples. First one is find A inverse if A is equal to this. Clear? Now by definition you will write always A is equal to I. Clear? I will put the values of A on both sides. You know what is I? I is your identity matrix. It depends on which type of A is given. According to A's order you will take I. Clear? Now you will operate. Your main motive will be here. Now I am applying row operations. Clear? Now you know here what is 1. So no need to change. Your motive is to make this matrix to this matrix. मतलब क्या है, आपको जो मैट्रिक्स दिया हुआ है उसको आपने इस टाइप का बनाना है. जो आप यहाँ पे ऑपरेट करोगे सेम ऑपरेशन यहाँ भी लगेंगे. और अब आपको पता है अगर ये आपका ये वाला बन गया मीन्स आई यहाँ पे बन गया, तो आपका ये क्या बन जाएगा? ए इनवर्स. इन दिस वे यू विल गेट दिस इज़ योर ए इनवर्स. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग. मीन्स योर मोटिव इज़ टू मेक दिस आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. Which operation you will operate here, same you will operate here, and A is in this side become A inverse. Clearly now I am making. So you see first one is same, no need to change. If it is not 1, firstly you will divide it by that element. Clear? Now you have to make it 0. So it can be by this operate. Means you are operating on R2. R2 you will keep on same place. Minus. If I multiply with 2 and subtract from here, then you will see it will become 0. R2 is what? 2. 2. R1 is your 1. 2 minus 2 is your 0. Same, but I make it only 0, but you will operate on this element also. Similarly, you will operate here also. Clear? I am operating here. See, minus 1, minus 4, minus 5, you can operate. And similarly with the here, see, firstly R2 element, what is here? 0, minus 2. Similarly here, then you have to make it 1 here. So it is possible only by dividing it. So R2 को मैंने क्या कर दिया? -1/5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. If I am operating here, then I have to do also here. Now you see, you got 1 1 1. First motive will be this one you have. Then you have to make this element only 0. So you will operate on R1. So R1 minus 2 R2. Clear? You will not see here कि what are you getting here, but only your motive will be to make it identity matrix. So same operation you will take here. So I did 1 minus 2 R2 element 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 4/5. Similarly here, then you will take its LCM. 5 minus 4/1/5 2/5 same. Then you will get this is equal to this. Now what is this? This is I. So A inverse into I is A inverse. You got this is your A inverse. Clear? Next question is find A inverse if this is given same by column operations. You have seen कि I operated only row operations. I can't use collectively. भी row भी use कर लें, column भी. Now I am operating by column operation. Clear? On same matrix I have taken. Now we are operating. Definition must be same in both. A is equal to IA. Now again we are operating. Now in row operation you know we have started from in this manner. Clear? But now we are operating in this manner. Clear? In row anti-clockwise, in column clockwise. Clear? C से याद रख लेना. Column clock. Clear? Column और clockwise. Now see, Firstly, you know it is already 1, so no need to change here, but you want what here? 0. It can be done. Yes, बाय C2 पे ऑपरेट करेंगे क्योंकि आपको यहाँ पे 0 चाहिए. जो मैंने बोला था, जो यहाँ पे एलिमेंट है सेम एलिमेंट आपको यहाँ पे रखने. माइनस इट कैन बी मेड 0 इफ़ वी मल्टीप्लाई with the first 2 and by subtraction. Clear? Same I operated with the same I operated here. Clear? Always in this manner you will keep, you will get the correct answer. Clear? Now what are you doing? You know you have to make it 1 0 1 0. So it can be by C2 पे ऑपरेट कर सकते हैं हम, -1/5. सी सेम ऑपरेशन लगा रहे हैं. नाउ वी विल मल्टीप्लाई विद -1/5 हेयर ऑल्सो. क्लियर? नाउ यू वांट 0 हेयर. इट कैन बी डन इफ़ आई ऑपरेट ऑन C1. C1 पे ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं कब? जब C2 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सेम के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, 0 बन जाएगी. सिमिलरली वी आर ऑपरेटिंग हेयर ऑल्सो. यू नो व्हाट इज़ दिस? दिस इज़ A. इट विल बिकम A inverse here. Clear? I hope you are getting. Only your motive will be in that manner we are to doing. Find A inverse if A is given. Now again by definition, see this is of order 3. Firstly we kept same. Now you know what is here. 2 is here. You have to make it firstly it 1. So I divide it by 1/2 only. Same here. So I operated. Clear? Now you will see you have to make it 0, but 5 is here. Now you will operate on R2. Same element you will keep, -5 R1. Similarly I did here also. Clear? But you are getting 0 here, no need to change. You know कि you have to go in this manner. Same. Clear? Now you know already 1 is here, you have to make it 0. So if I operate on R3 minus R2, because both are same, no need to multiply with any number. Similarly I did here also. Then you know 1 now you have to make it 1. 1/2 you are getting after solvation. Then you have to multiply it with 2. Clear? Then what you will do? You have to make it 0. So you will operate on R2 what? With the R3, because whenever you will get 1, it is very easy to multiply with that number and subtract here. If already subtraction sign, then you will add it. Then you will get 0 here, but it doesn't affect. Why? Because 0 is not affecting with any number whenever we will multiply. Now you know this number you have to make 0. Similarly here 1/2 you will multiply and add it. In this manner you will get this one. And same operation you will handle here also. Clear? If it will come on this side, it will become your A inverse. I hope you are getting easy to get. Just think about these operations that I told in starting. I hope you are getting